I am Marisha, your English mentor for today's session. Our today's session is something that all of us need to practice. That is, professional language in a workplace. When you communicate, you need to maintain a professional language in the workplace. So this session is dedicated just for that. Language is an important aspect of communication, whether you're talking to a co-worker or a customer. Why are these language skills important at a workplace? Because effective communication is at the heart of every business. Conversations with customers, suppliers, colleagues, partners, superiors, and even subordinates need to be in a professional manner. You need to understand what you are talking to whom. Let us now hear some sentences and phrases that you can use when you are communicating in a professional manner.
I know it is too stressful, but let's do this. I would prefer if you refrain using that kind of language. I know what you're going through at home is hard, but I hope you don't let it affect your work. I feel like Mr. Sharma curses a lot and I don't appreciate it at all. How many languages can you speak?
There are a few ways to conduct with people who are being too emotional or conduct with people who cannot separate their personal and professional lives. You can use such statements to not sound rude and be polite at the same time.